I get to do some crazy stuff.
Hi. What?
And a lot of it with my best friends. So naturally, I do get asked, how do I have the The thing is, most of these things don't make sense. And if I was being responsible, I wouldn't be doing them at all. But if there's anything I learned from my somewhat irrational life decisions, it's that life doesn't have to be perfect. So, as of right now, the boys are racing. It is Saturday, it is, what is it? It's 1:44 p.m. and I am, as you can see, not racing. I ended work at around 6 a.m. and I was planning on just cannonballing to Merritt and just racing the whole day without sleeping. But on my way to work yesterday, I hit the brakes pretty hard and something went boing and the car just started veering left. Now I gotta figure out what that is, and I do have a theory about what could be causing something like that. So I've figured out what was wrong. It's not great, it's exactly what I thought it was. So as you can see, I've got these beautiful new tension rods installed here because I thought that the bushings were bad up front, and well, they're not so beautiful anymore. That's what I get trying to rock cheap arms from eBay. Should have listened to the internet. That would explain why the car drove like this wheel was going to a different continent. It's just incredible. The rods are repaired. Thanks to these guys. Now we go racing. On the road now, and I haven't even really left Vancouver yet. I'm about half an hour out, and the car is already overheating terribly. It has peaked at 117 degrees Celsius. Like, this area is not very hot. Where I'm going is a valley, and it's really hot. So I'm kind of thinking maybe I should Home Depot, and now I'm gonna go in and try to look for some car parts. So, what I just bought is my Home Depot hood riser kit. It's nuts and bolts that come out to 11 bucks, so we'll see how this works. I'm a little desperate right now, and I'm in a parking lot talking to a camera, which is awesome. We're in business. So I'm about 15 minutes away from the Airbnb, but I just had to stop and look around because this is incredible. It's too early.
This is the quietest. This house makes my nose explode. I blame the deer.
Race car off-road is so cursed. So racing's done for the day. We're headed back to the Airbnb. But something I didn't talk about when we were racing is that throughout the day, my car was blowing out more and more of its turbo gasket with every run. And I think Adam even found part of my gasket on the ground, which is just insane. But now the car barely builds boost and it sounds terrible. It sounds like this. But even with all of this going wrong, with the strut rods unwelding themselves, with my work being crazy hours, with the turbo unbolting itself, I mean, look where we are. I get to do this. It's not too bad. Not too bad in my books.
I think I need to wide body. Look at my cone damage today.
Is that from you?
I think I hit a few cones.
Probably.
Oh, that's fine. Following the God. What can I say except you're welcome?
You love me. I